Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus Pasingki Sollu. My major nautical department. I'm from AIPI Makassar. And this is my friends.
My name is Sahrul. My major nautical level 2. I'm from AIPI Makassar.
Hello. Hi, Lufri. How are things at the office?
Hello, Sarul. How are you? Can you please stop and pick up extra paper for the computer printer?
What did you say? Can you repeat that, please? Did you say to pick up ink for the printer? Sorry, phone is cutting out.
Can you hear me now? No, I need more computer paper. Listen, I'll text you exactly what I need. Thanks, Sarul. Talk to you later.
Thanks, Lufri. Sorry, my phone has really bad reception here.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing.
Hello. Hi, Sarul. How are things at the office?
Hi, Lufri. How are you? Can you please stop and pick up extra paper for the computer printer?
What did you say? Can you repeat that, please? Did you say to pick up ink for the printer? Sorry, the phone is cutting out.
Can you hear me now? Now, I need more computer paper. Listen, I'll text you exactly what I need. Thank you, Free. Talk to you later.
Thanks, Sarul. Sorry, my phone has really bad reception here.